Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you a software. Um, Trust me, this software has been very helpful. Actually, what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean the cache, the junk files of your laptop that might be causing your laptop to lag. Um, so let me just jump right in so you see what I'm talking about. Um, um, so it should be in my C drive. So now this software is called 2 So you might check for it to see if you can find it, or I'm just going to drop it down for you to download. But you first of all check on the internet to see if you can find it. The last time I checked, I couldn't find it, which was kind of strange. I've checked twice now, but couldn't find it on the internet. Maybe I didn't check properly. So but this software has been useful because each time I find it difficult for me to run my system properly. So sometimes I might just turn on my system and it will just go off itself, and or it will just get stuck to move. I'll be trying to do some stuff to move, or you probably install a bad driver, and you you don't know what to do. Your system is just acting up. This tool can help you a lot. That's the truth. It has helped me a lot. So I was using it on my other system. It was acting up very strangely, so I had to go into safe mode and run this tool, and it helped me solve some issue. Now, one of the good thing about the software is that you don't even need to install it for you to run it. So you can either install or you can run without install. So it's portable, and very lightweight. So I'm just going to click the run without installing, which I just did. So we're going to wait a little for it to run. Now I'm going to show you other stuff about this tools, right? I don't even know the creator of this software, but they tried. So you should have a higher version like this. I've been trying to update though. So I'm going to, now if you want to just do normal cleanup on your system, now when you do start checkup, it's going to clean junk files, and be careful, it's going to include your recycled bin. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. Now if you look at my recycle bin, you see that it's full, it's filled up, right? Now when I'm done cleaning, it's going to empty everything inside. Now you're going to see that it's going to become transparent, right? I hope you can see this is filled up. I don't want to open it, there's no point opening it. So when I clean this, it's going to wipe away your recycled bin. So you want to be sure that you don't have any important stuff in your recycled bin. Now I'm going to click on, now when I cancel this, it's not cancelled, it's just hidden. So in order to bring it back, you can double click on this and it's going to come out. Now there are other stuff you can do with this. You can defrag, which I'm going to show you in another video, using another software as well as IOB defrag. So I'm just going to do regular cleanup. So that is what this video is for. So I'm going to click on the start checkup, and so we are going to wait for this to start checkup. So I don't want to waste any time, so I'm just going to pause the video and bring it back on when it is done, right? So it's done with cleaning up. So once it's done, you are going to say fix, recheck, or close. So definitely you want to say fix. So because what it did the first time was to scan, and after scanning you saw junk files, and then you have to click on the fix to fix. Now I'm going to close this, right? Now you can still see our recycle bin is still filled up, but it is not, right? So because if I open it, you won't see anything there. So let me just um try to open and see if we have anything in our recycled bin. Now you see this folder is empty. Now if I close, you're going to see it's empty. So it was just a charade, not, there was nothing actually there. But that was because our toolwhisker has deleted. So you too can try it on your system and see what I'm saying. So this, now it didn't just clean just your recycle bin, it cleaned the junk files in your laptop. It, kind of arranged it took away those when you uninstall an application, a software on your file, if you don't uninstall everything that pertains that software, it's going to leave some leftovers. So this software is going to help you clean up those leftovers as well, right? Now you can use this software to generate password, strong password, registry, and so on and so forth. But I wouldn't really want you to do that with this software. You can get other softwares to do that. I'm not saying you can't. If I click on password generator, I can actually generate password. There's nothing wrong with that. So quantity, how many passwords you want to create, so I can say 5 or 7, whatever. So then I can say create now, and these are passwords that I can use, right? So there's nothing really wrong with it. You just left to you, but not all software because the last time I updated the software has been long. So I'm going to check back to see if I can update it. So now you have the repair network. If your network has issue but you do not want to try this, if your network is good, so that is pretty much about it. So like I said, I'm going to show in my next video how to optimize with your laptop inbuilt defragment, or any software defragment. So thank you guys for watching, and of course you can quit program, or you can restart your computer, or you can shut down your computer with this system, or you can boost your game, time freeze, defrag memory like I said, and so on and so forth, screen capture, and so on and so forth. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next